Hello Fire Tech 102 students, this is your weekly announcement video for the week beginning Sunday, May 31st. Okay, so I did a lot of grading today. I got a lot of grading caught up. There are some people that are still turning in assignments, so I'll continue to grade those as you turn them in. What we have is we have our last two modules that we're going to be doing for the semester this week. So let's go ahead and take a look at those and cover those now. It's going to be our last part of fire suppression part 4, which we're going to take a look at wildland fires and that wildland environment. So there's some wildland fire videos in here that I think are really beneficial for you all, really beneficial to you. So please take a look at those as you go through the semester or as you go through this module. We have our chapter 14 wild suppression or fire suppression part 4 quiz. We have a video quiz on brush and wildland fires, then wildland urban interface tactics, and then also wildland fire safety, right? All things that are important when you start dealing with ground cover fires, which is really the focus of this. I know we talk about outside class A combustibles or outside storage fires. But really what we focus on in this chapter, in this module, this portion of this module is the wildland environment. Your incident response pocket guide, your IRPG, that's going to be something that you want to carry with you. So as you do that journal entry, what's the purpose of that? That's something that you'll carry with you into the wildland environment, and it's a good, just resourceful tool. You want to get used to it, what it looks like, what it has in there. It does have other things, but other incidents to respond to and handle besides wildland incidents, but very helpful to have this pocket guide in the wildland environment. From there, we have the final exam, which is 125 questions, and then an end of course survey. All right, so the end of course survey is just a survey that you all can do to get some extra points for the class, and it gives me some feedback on the class. So I know this was a really short section class, real quick, a lot of information that comes, a lot of material that comes. I do appreciate everybody's work and everybody's commitment to the class and getting your work in. That said, everything has to be turned in by the 7th, and then no more assignments will be accepted after the 7th, which is next Sunday, and then your grades are going to be submitted to the college by Wednesday of next week. So everything will be done on the 7th, and then probably the 9th or 10th, your grades will be posted to the college. All right. That's all I have for you. I do appreciate all of you allowing me to be your instructor for the 8-week session of this semester. I wish you all the best of luck. Please pay attention to the fire behavior aspect. You'll take this fire behavior and the stuff that you learn in this class, particularly as you start breaking down how things burn, how things ignite, as you start looking at some of that stuff and some of the chemistry behind it, you'll take that with you as you move in through the academy, as you start doing fire control, and you get into the fire behavior, as you start doing hazmat stuff. There's just a lot of similarities that transfer over. So this is a very important class that you really want to retain a lot of the information that you get out of here, because you're going to use it, and you'll utilize that throughout your career. So once again, thank you. I wish you all the best of luck. Hope you all have a great summer. For those of you that are taking summer classes, good luck in your classes then. If you need anything regarding this week, please email me, and I'll get back to you. Projects, I should have the projects graded and posted within the next couple of days. So getting through those, I usually go through those a couple of times before I assign grades. So I have assigned grades to several of those. I'll continue to go through those the second time. And then it looks like there are some people that submitted some projects over the last couple of days. So since I posted some grades. So again, thank you all for a great semester, and appreciate your feedback on the course so I can make some changes as needed for the next group of students that come in behind you. All right. So thank you. Have a great week and have a great summer, everyone.